Hi guys, welcome back again. This is Basil of Tech. I'm going to show you the fastest way to speed up your Windows 10 performance without any software. So stay tuned and follow every process I'm going to be showing you in this video. So the first thing you are going to do right now is to go to Windows. After Windows, you come to Run. After Run, the first thing you're going to do right now is to write temp. So I'm going to write temp and press OK. So after pressing temp, then you're going to highlight everything, Ctrl A, and press Ctrl D to delete everything from this place. So everything is going to be deleted. Every temp files and the system are going to be deleted. So after that, the next thing again you're going to do again is to come to Run again and press %temp. So why you're seeing it coming out is because particularly for my PC. So I'm going to be deleting this. So some files are going to delete in some instances while some are going to remain. Because I have Opera open, so it's stopping it from being deleted. So after that, the next one we are going to be doing again is to check the temp files. So you come back again, you press Run. So after pressing Run, the next thing you are going to do right now is to type prefetch. So I'll press prefetch and I'm going to press OK. So continue. And I'm going to be deleting everything here. So Ctrl D. So the next thing again I'm going to do again is to press Run. So make sure you follow this process, and I'm going to come into Regit. Okay. So this is going to open the registry editor. So after that, you are going to come to HKey users, this particular folder here. And you are going to come to desktop. So after coming to desktop, the next thing you are going to look for is the mouse time. So you are going to look for the mouse time right over here. So I'm scrolling down to look for it because we are going to be changing this to ensure that our system moves faster. We are going to be changing this to ensure that it's okay. Cost of link rate. So you change this to 10. You change this to 10. And the next thing you're going to do, okay, you come to mouse. So you can also come to mouse sensitivity, you change it to 10, change it to 10, you double click to change anything. I've changed some, that's just it, change it to 10, so that's it. Don't have another way you can do that. The next way you can also optimize your PC right now is to come to this particular place, then come to Task Manager. After coming to Task Manager, so most of the time there are some applications that are on our system that run automatically immediately with what start up our system. So you are going to disable every application that is running. So right now you come to startup and you can see I've disabled almost everything apart from Opera Mini. So right now what you are going to do right now, so let's zoom out to disable Opera Mini. I come here and I disable this. So every application you don't want to start up while you're on your PC, you can disable everything. But my advice for you is to keep every Microsoft application on. So keep every Microsoft application on like this. Windows Security Defender enable. So that is enable. Microsoft OneDrive enable. So those are the two applications I kept on for now. So that was it. The next process you are going to do right now is to make sure that you clean your what? Hard disk. So right now I'm going to be doing that process right now for you. So the first thing first, you open come to my PC, you come to this PC and come to your local disk, your C drive. Then I'm going to be right click and I'm going to come to properties. So after coming to properties, you're going to do disk cleanup. So do this cleanup is calculating every space that's being used on my system, which include downloads, temporary files. So they're going to be deleting majorly temporary files from this particular PC, and this works effectively to ensure that your system works faster. So right now I do this regularly, so it picks downloaded programs, temporary internet files. I'm going to be deleting temporary automation, DirectX cache, everything in recycle bin, temporary files, and top link. So I'm going to be deleting this. So once I press OK, then delete files, you see everything deleting. So the next process right now we are going to be doing, which I'm very certain once your PC is running slow, is going to delete, is going to ensure that your system is well optimized for good performance. So right now the next step is to close this. So let me close this. Search for control panel. Control panel. After coming to control panel, I'm going to come to system. So you look for system in your control panel. So right now, come to system. So on that system now, we're going to go to the advanced system setting. So I'm going to come to the advanced system setting, and I'm going to press the settings. So if you look at this right now, it's on let system choose what's best performance for my computer. So right now I'm going to choose adjust for best performance, and I'm going to select something. So you can pick what I want here. So you can pick that, show shadow. So you can pick what I want here and press apply, then OK. So once you are done, you can just restart your system for good performance, and I'm certain that your system is going to be optimized and you're going to see the results immediately. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you watch, like, and also share with anyone that is having problem with his or her system, and make sure you comment for any question. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye.